OTR are your number one choice for off-the-road tyres, wheels, axles and services, with over 70 years of industry experience in Australia. And now, OTR has redesigned the industry standard lock ring profile. The Ultra Life eXtreme ULX profile maximises contact area for improved safety, reducing the stress point and the risk of premature cracking in the lock ring groove. As you can see, with the typical EU profile lock ring, the contact point of this profile is minimal. This maximises the stress placed on that point, often leading to premature cracking and failure in the gutter section. The groundbreaking ULX profile design allows for haul truck wheels ranging from 51 to 63 inches to be guaranteed for an impressive 40,000 hours, significantly extending the duration between testing periods compared to the conventional 15,000 hours. Similarly, haul truck rims within the same size range can now be warranted for a remarkable 30,000 hours. This is the wheel, and this is the lock ring. The lock ring goes here. When I place the lock ring in the groove and the tyre is inflated, you can see the pressure point on the lock ring. Due to its curved shape, the ULX profile has the ability to maintain constant contact at the lock ring and the lock ring groove. And to ensure no component mismatching occurs, OTR's developed an additional identification method to highlight the difference between ULX and a usual EU profile. Within this section, you'll observe a precisely crafted groove etched into both the gutter section and the lock ring. To facilitate easy recognition, they have been adorned with a vibrant green paint. Now, you're invited to access the innovative, industry-changing product. Take this unique move to the ULX profile for your fleet and capitalise on its benefits. The ULX profile can be rolled out at no additional cost, qualifying your business for a substantial saving over the lifespan of your incoming fleet, with a significant increase in the life of wheels. OTR is thrilled to spearhead the industry down an innovative new path. Our commitment to pushing boundaries and embracing change is what sets us apart, and we are thrilled to have you along with us for this journey. Don't overlook this chance to progress with OTR. Together, we can pioneer a new future within the tyre industry, one marked by innovation, sustainability, and lasting impact. Let's seize this opportunity to make a difference and shape the future of our industry together.